Hello all, welcome to session 50 of Selenium Python training series. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate elif statement in Python. So let's get started. What exactly is this elif statement? If you want to add more conditions, okay, to the if else statements, if you want to add more conditions, then we have to use elif statement. Let me show you practically, guys. Let me first launch the PyCharm in the sample Python file. Let me write a program, guys, using which you will understand what exactly this elif statement and what exactly its role in the if statements for adding more conditions. You will understand everything. Just give me some time. A is equal to, give some value, say 6. B is equal to 5. C is equal to 4. Okay, as part of the example, I'm preparing all these variables, guys. Okay, C, D is equal to 3 and E is equal to 2. Now here I will be writing normal if else statement first. Okay, if A is less than B. If A is less than B, after indentation, type print A is less than B. That's it. Now here, okay, here I'll be writing else. Else print. What can I print, guys? A is greater than B. Okay, else A is greater than B. Here, how many conditions are there? How many Boolean conditions are there in this if else statement? Only one thing. A less than B is a Boolean condition, right? But if you want to add more conditions to this if else statements, then we have to use elif statement, guys. Okay, if you want to add more conditions to this if else statements, then we have to add elif. Here, let's say here I want to add one more condition. Instead of ending it like this, I'll add this statement like elif. Okay, elif then B less than C. Here I'll be printing B is less than C. Again, elif C is less than D. How many conditions we are able to add? You see, to this if else statements, not only one condition, we have two condition, three condition now. Right? Print C is less than D. Now elif D is less than E. Print D is less than E. Okay. So you see, guys. Okay, we'll start from the beginning. A less than B. 6 is less than 5. True? No, it's false. Right? 6 is less than 5 is false. It's not correct. So this block will not be executed. Then the control will come to elif. Elif another condition. Second condition the control will go to. Okay, since this condition is false, the second condition will be checked. B less than C. 5 less than 4. Still false. Since this condition is also false, the control will go to the this condition. This statement inside this elif block will not be executed. Okay, these statements will not be executed. This statement and this statement will not be executed. The control will come to the third condition. C less than D. 4 less than 3. Still false. This block also will not be executed. The control will go to the next condition of elif, that is D less than E. 3 less than 2. Still false. The control will go to the last else block. Okay, when none of the conditions are becoming true, then the condition will go to the control will go to the else block, where you will say E is the list of all variables. As you can see, E is the list of all the variables. That's why all the conditions were false and else block was executed. Okay, so if I run this code, guys, you will see this statement printing in the else block, because all the conditions, all the multiple conditions in this if, elif and else statement were false. Finally, else block will be executed because there is no condition for the else block, and this statement will be printed in the output. Right click run. You see, E is the list of all the variables got printed. What if one of the condition is true? Let's say here, second condition, if I intentionally make B greater than C. Okay, what will happen in this case? First, A less than B. 6 less than 5 is false. So this block will not be executed. Control will go to the next condition, B greater than C. B is greater than C. That is 5 is greater than 4 is true. So this will be printed. B is less than C will be printed. Remaining everything will be skipped, guys. Okay. Run it. You see, B is less than C got printed. Like this, guys. Hope you understood how to add more conditions to the if-else statements using the elif statements in Python. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.